Karnataka, formerly until 1973 Mysore, is a state of India located on the western coast of the subcontinent. It is bounded by the states of Goa and Maharashtra to the north, Telangana to the east, Tamil Nadu to the southeast, and Kerala to the south, and by the Arabian Sea to the west. The state extends for about 420 miles from north to south and for about 300 miles from east to west. Its coastline stretches for about 200 miles. The capital city of Karnataka is Bangalore, near the southeastern border. Karnataka stretches from the north from Belgaum to the south of Mangalore. It has various land features, that is, in coastal regions, you will find numerous coconut trees and beautiful beaches, and in the interior with mountains, valleys, and farmlands. Karnataka is the sixth largest state in India. Karnataka doesn't have a very long coastline but has some of the most popular and beautiful beaches of India. Bangalore is also known as the Silicon Valley of India. Let me show you some beautiful cities of Karnataka. Bengaluru, formerly Bangalore, is the capital of Karnataka state since 1830. Bengaluru is one of India's largest cities. It lies 949 meters above sea level atop on east-west ridge in the Karnataka plateau in the southern east part of the state at a cultural meeting point of the Kannada, Telugu and Tamil speaking people. Population of the Silicon Valley is nearly 4,301,326. The city's nucleus was a settlement around a mud fort built in 1537 by a local chief, Kempegowda. The fort was constructed of stone in 1761. Bangalore was the headquarters of the British administration from 1831 to 1881, when the Raja was restored. However, Britain retained an administrative and military presence in the city until Indian independence in 1947. Bangalore subsequently became the capital of the new state of Mysore and remained the capital during the recognition of states in 1956. Mysore was renamed Karnataka in 1973. In 2006, the city officially changed its name to Bengaluru, although the old name was still widely used. Hampi is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in East Central Karnataka. It became the pilgrimage center of the Hindu religion. It was the capital of Vijayanagar Empire in the 14th century. Chronicles left by Persian and European travelers, particularly the Portuguese, say that the Hampi state was a prosperous, wealthy and grand city near the Tungabhadra river with numerous temples, farms and trading markets. By 1500 CE, Hampi Vijayanagara was the world's second largest medieval era after Beijing and probably India's richest at that time, attracting traders from Persia and Portugal. The Vijayanagara Empire was defeated by Deccan Sultanates in Battle of Talikota, after which Hampi remained in ruins. Hampi is famous for its ruins belonging to the Vijayanagara Empire. Madikeri is a hill station in the district of Coorg in Karnataka, known for its lush green valleys that offers enchanting aroma of coffee. The pleasant climate and beautiful terrain of Madikeri inspires many with its noticeable cool and peaceful atmosphere, which is hard to find elsewhere. It attracts hundreds of tourists every day with its pollution-free, calm and quiet ambience and turns even the most ordinary days into a beautiful journey of life. Tourism in Madikeri is incomplete without the mention of ravishing coffee gardens, fresh cardamom plantation and refreshing black pepper farm. People from all over the world visit this fascinating hill station to take a look at the aromatic gardens and to feel the freshness of coffee, which is one of its kind in Madikeri. Blessed with so many attractions, Madikeri is a perfect place to spend vacations in a peaceful and fascinating way. Holidays in Madikeri is not complete if you have not seen its sunset, which is a big deal here. Raja Seat is a perfect place to watch the sunset that offers glamorous sights of rolling hills and endless valleys. It is believed that the Raja, who is the king of Coorg, himself visited this place many times a day to watch how the valley looks during sunset. Coorg is also known for its beautiful monasteries. Mysuru, also called Mysore, is a city in south-central Karnataka. It lies northwest of Chamundi Hills and midway between Kaveri and Kabani rivers on the undulating Deccan Plateau at an elevation of 770 meters. The land surrounding the city is characterized by rain-filled shallow depressions or tanks. Mysore is an important manufacturing and trading center, and it has textile, rice and oil mills, sandalwood oil and chemical factories and tanneries. The suburb of Belagula to the northwest produces chrome dyes and chemical fertilizers. The city's industries are powered by the hydroelectric station near Sivasamudram Islands to the east. Mysuru's cottage industries include cotton weaving, tobacco and coffee processing. The area is known for its artwork in ivory, metal and wood, and the market near the railway station serves as a collection center for local farm products. The city has an airport, lies at the junction of two northern railway lines, and is a major intersection on India's principal western road system. Mysuru is mostly famous for its royal empire and foundation.